How do you replace the small belt on a Troy Bilt TBE515-ec etcher? Not sure how to thread the small belt back in place? Does belt thread over or under the adjuster? Also, how do you adjust the tension?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Full-size image. The idler goes under the belt and should be spring-loaded to keep belt tight. Operator's manual has no information.
I figured out the belt going under the idler, kind of hit and miss, while waiting on the new password. Got it running and cutting. But we'll make some adjustments as I go. I wasn't aware that this ender was a 50-hour disposable until I bought it used without a belt for $40. Live and learn.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.